Why don't you just make a viral TikTok? Then everyone will know your brand. Sure, when you say it like that, it sounds easy enough, but obviously it's not. That doesn't mean no one's ever done it before, and it also doesn't mean that you can't do it either. Hey, I'm Talish and welcome to my TikTok Talk. We're going to share some tips with you to help you grow your user base, get your brand recognized, and hopefully go viral. We love sharing these tips and tricks with you, so we'd appreciate it if you'd like this video and subscribe to our channel so we can keep making content like this for you. So what is TikTok? It's the platform that definitely changed the entire game. TikTok is simply a social media platform for creating and sharing videos for the world to see. It's made for anyone and everyone and is filled with everything from funny skits to promotional shorts to educational videos. These videos can be anywhere from a few seconds long to 10 minutes. However, the stats show that bigger isn't always better. One study found that a quarter of the highest performing videos on TikTok were between 21 to 34 seconds long. And 50% of those surveys found videos over a minute to be stressful. So it's probably safe to say your videos should be kept on the shorter end. Check what the average time preferred by your viewers is and see what fits for your niche. The real magic of TikTok, however, doesn't just stem from the content, but also from the tools they give you, like filters, frames, sounds, special effects, and more, to create awesome material. So you don't need to be a Hollywood movie producer to find success from your videos. Sounds fun, right? But besides that, why exactly should you use TikTok to grow your brand? Online videos have an audience reach of almost 92% among internet users worldwide. That stat alone should be enough of a reason for why your business needs to be on TikTok. Let me throw another one at you. Hashtag TikTok made me buy it. Global user spending on TikTok reached $824 million at the close of 2021. Look, social commerce without a doubt is growing. You can make your products available for sale right on social media platforms, giving you the ability to expand your customer reach. One of the advantages of TikTok is that it places less importance on follower numbers. It means that if you create a good video, it can go viral even if you have 0 followers. TikTok's success, though, still does depend on your followers, likes, and the shares your videos get. It's important to get followers who care about your brand, opinion, and values. The content you create depends on the audience, so it's important to understand who yours is, because the type of content you post is what will get your brand's recognizability to soar. TikTok is built for engagement. Nowadays, people on average spend 50 to 70 plus minutes a day on the app. That's like watching a TV series or a movie. But unlike Instagram or other social media apps, the user's main action isn't actually scrolling, but rather watching, meaning TikTok is an entertainment app. Create content exclusively for TikTok. Don't get me wrong, I'm all about recycling and repurposing, but for the sake of marketing, don't do it here. Avoid throwing all your Insta or Facebook content onto your TikTok. This is a whole other platform with a whole other audience. This doesn't mean you can't share some of the same stuff across platforms, just be a bit more selective about it. But we know more content is better, right? Absolutely. Increased content production is good, but it doesn't have to be super difficult and time-consuming. Here's some content ideas to get you started. First off, trends. You gotta be there. Follow current trends on social media and don't be afraid to hop on the bandwagon. That is the whole point of a trend after all. Use the power of music. 68% of users said they remember a brand better if they use a featured song. There are even sites like Talkboard that publish a list of trending sounds. This can be a good way to piggyback on other people's virality. Make it easier on yourself by documenting or sharing quick updates rather than trying to constantly come up with new ideas. Don't be afraid to toy around with older content too. Everyone loves a good throwback. TikTokers like to have fun, and they like to learn. Educate viewers and provide value. Think about what's happening in the industry or within your niche and share it with your viewers. Or you can even share your own products or services that may benefit the audience. Engage with other creators and brands to create partnerships. Collaborate to create duets, stitches, account takeovers, or giveaways. These are all great ways to get your brand in front of new eyes and scoop up some new followers. Participate in challenges. Challenges are a fun and easy way to get to a big audience, especially if it's a trending challenge. Not only can this bring awareness to your brand, but it's also a fantastic way to encourage some user-generated content by creating your own challenge. Okay, you've curated the perfect video. Now, you just need to post it at the right time and you're done. But you definitely shouldn't just post it whenever. You gotta think about where your audience is located, time zones, and when they're awake and active. Influencer Marketing Hub did a cool analysis of when posts had the best engagement rates, and the times were different for every day of the week. And don't go spamming your followers with a bunch of videos a day. Quality is more important than quantity here. Give your viewers value, but keep them engaged consistently. Posting at least once a day is a good start. Trends start and change every day, and just because one type of video might get a ton of attention at a specific time of day doesn't necessarily mean that the next one will get the same. So you can use these times as an indicator, but it's more important to consider your specific audience. Done right, TikTok can be a fun and spectacular way to get your brand known. We want you to get the most out of it, so here's some final words of advice and reminders. TikTok wants people to engage and spend time on the app for as long as possible. To bring users relevant content based on their interests, TikTok's algorithm looks at three main categories: a user's account settings, such as language and location, content engagement, like follows, shares, likes, and watch time, and the algorithm also looks at video information, aka any info about content, hashtags, captions, keywords, etc. These factors determine what a user will see on their For You page. TikTokers want authentic, down-to-earth content and value. Save the formal scripted ads for other platforms. Give them value first and market your brand last. Share tips and entertainment, not your business's homepage. So we hope to see you on TikTok soon. And may you get that coveted viral status. And while you're at it, go ahead and give us a follow on TikTok. Then let us know your TikTok thoughts down below. And of course, like and subscribe to our channel for more social media tips.